Welcome to Temu Product Review for you, and today we are reviewing a portable washing machine. So this one is supposed to be 17.8 pounds capacity, and this is what it looks like. And this is all the settings. I haven't actually tried to wash a load on it yet, but it seems it's well built. That's what it looks like in the back, and this is the packaging that it came in, and this is what you're gonna search for if you're interested in this product. So right now it's listed for $187, and it's from this seller, USSTOR. It's nicely packed when it came, and came with all the instruction manual and everything. So yeah, follow and subscribe for more.